Hey, hello, howdy, hi, ni hao, konnichiwa, bonjour, salute, buenos dias, and servus, merhaba, starova. Well, welcome to my channel. Don here. Well, my filament supporter asked me to test out some filaments and make a review for them. They sent me a roll of PLA, PLA Next, PLA Copper, and some tests which is not supposed to be in this review, but I already did some prints, so I made a print from a ASA filament that they sent me. First off is the PLA. I printed the Squeezely from UB. This is in the PLA red. Looks really nice. Then I printed this GNOME. The Thingiverse files, I'll put them down in the description below. Also a link to the filament supplier, that is Eins3d.de. EINS 3d.de. This is a German supplier. I'm not sure if they send international, but they do send throughout Europe. And as you can see, and if I hold it a little bit closer, you can even see the M right there. That's the PLA. Now the PLA Fun in the same color. There it is. This is the PLA Fun. Beautiful print. That's Squeezely, and again the GNOME. Only problem that I had is with this buckle right here, this belt buckle. I don't know why. Could be that the print was running too fast, or I'm not sure. But all in all, everything else looks perfect. And you can even see the M right there. But yeah, main thing was, because several customers were asking, yeah, what is the difference between the PLA and the PLA Fun? Well, the only difference that I can see right now is that PLA comes on a 750 gram spool. The PLA Fun comes on a 1 kilo spool. And the PLA Fun is a little bit cheaper in price. But no real difference, except for the PLA Fun. The red is a little bit darker. But they also sent me a half a kilo roll of PLA Copper. Here's the GNOME. You can see his belt buckle and a couple of zits that are still on it. I tried to remove this zit up here, but unfortunately, as you can see, I made a scratch in the filament. So that means you can probably polish this also. And now you can see the M a lot better. Well, and this thing does weigh about 3 times as much as the normal one. But this might be something to try out and polish. I'm not sure. And they also sent me a sample from their ASA Next. This was printed at a higher temperature. I printed this one at 280 and 75 on the bed. 260, 250 might have been enough, but I wasn't sure. But this is the ASA Next, and as you can see, this is also a beautiful print. No flaws at all. It does have some slopes, no totally overhangs or something like that, but no, this came out beautiful. And yeah, that's all for now. Like always, if you're not subscribed, do subscribe. Hit that bell so that you'll be notified. Upcoming month, I will be doing a hypercube build. I have all the printed parts already for it. Just waiting for a couple other deliveries, which might be coming next week. Who knows? And yeah, link to everything else you can find down below. Till then, I wish you all happy printing and have a nice day. Take care, yeah? Bye.